In this experiment, we're going to try to find out how changing the voltage affects the current. So let's go ahead and do that. Before we get started, though, we do want to make sure that we're not introducing other uncontrolled variables into our experiment. So we're going to keep the resistance constant. That's going to be a controlled variable. We could change it for a different experiment, but for right now, we're going to keep the resistance constant. We're going to manipulate the voltage and see how the current responds. Let's get started. Oh wait, we already have our first data point. When there is zero voltage, there's a zero current. I'll go ahead and put that in the data table. All right, next, let's go ahead and add a voltage source. So with 1 volt, we got half an amp of current. Let's go ahead and double that voltage to 2 volts. The current is now 1 amp. Let's try doubling that voltage again, up to 4 volts. Interesting. The current is now 2 amps. Let's try doubling that voltage again and see if this pattern continues. With 8 volts, we get 4 amps of current. And finally, with 16 volts, we have 8 amps of current. It does indeed appear that voltage is directly related to current. If you increase the voltage, the current increases as well, and it's a linear relationship.